Hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host Brian Hernandez, and today it's all Greek to me. Today we're going to demonstrate how to make a Greek style pizza. Now I bet you guys are saying just throw some feta and some olives on there and bingo, Greek pizza. Well, you'd be in the vast minority, guys. The majority of people, including owners of Greek pizzerias, believe it's all about the dough. I know, right? It's always about the dough. Greek crusts are cooked in well-oiled shallow pans. They are crisp yet fluffy inside, like myself, and traditionally they have a thicker sauce with lots of seasoning and usually rock a 50-50 cheddar mozzarella blend. So today we're going to show you a great dough recipe gifted to us by our good friend Chris Georgakopoulos of Blue House Pizza in Derry, New Hampshire, and a sauce inspired by Newton Corner House of Pizza in Watertown, Massachusetts. I do love the Mediterranean flavors, and this is one of my favorite combos. It's simple yet flavorful. I can just imagine eating this in a house of pizza in Kissamos, Crete. So now that we have a handle on all our parameters, let's move into execution mode.
For this pie, we're going to need a 14-inch shallow allied metal pan, 14-ounce dough ball, 50-50 Stanislaus Saporito and 7-Eleven sauces, shredded mozzarella, oregano, basil, garlic powder, sugar, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, quartered artichoke hearts, Kalamata olives, and feta. To make the dough, you're going to need 50 pounds of flour, 11.4 liters of room temperature water, 3 ounces of active dry yeast, 20 ounces of sugar, 23 ounces of olive oil, 10 ounces of salt. Mix the dough for 12 minutes, then form 14-ounce dough balls. Let the dough relax for a half hour, and for the best results, put your dough ball through a sheeter or you can use a rolling pin. Flatten your dough evenly to a 15-inch skin and then press it into a well-oiled shallow pan, leaving a raised edge. Your dough is now ready to bake or to be covered and placed in the cooler for future use. Just make sure to take it out a half hour before baking. To make your sauce, take 1 can of Stanislaus Saporito and 1 can of Stanislaus 7-Eleven, mix them together. Add 20 ounces of water, oregano, basil, garlic powder, sugar, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper, all to taste. Spread your sauce, and then add your mozzarella, and then place your artichoke quarters evenly across the pie. Add your Kalamata olives and bake it at 550 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes, or until the crust has the color of the golden beaches of the Mediterranean. Once you have a glistening crust, remove the pie from the oven, add your feta, and allow it to slowly melt onto the pizza. Then cut, serve, and enjoy.
Well, there it is, folks. A Greek-style pizza that's easy to make at your home or in your restaurants. You can infuse this pie with any flavor that you want as long as you nail the dough. Now, the only thing left to do is taste it. This pie is worthy of the Greek gods Ambrosia and Dionysus. The flavors themselves are simple yet powerful. The artichoke's mild flavor cools down the brine of the olives and the feta, and the sauce has a lot of underlying flavor as well. Now the cheese, it's different from your everyday pizzeria with the added flavor of the cheddar, and the dough, it's crispy, fluffy, with a great bake, and of course, you guessed it, great flavor. Well, that's all the time we have today in the Pizza Kitchen. I hope you guys give this pie the good old Olympic effort in both your homes and your restaurants. I'd like to thank our friends at Blue House Pizza and Newton Corner House of Pizza. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez. I'll see you next time, but until then, Torone Kala!